Yo, what is up everybody? Smeegoose here, back with another video. Today we're going to be riding the dirt bike track. It should be pretty sick. I'm filming a lot on my other camera, so you'll have some new and more interesting angles than just the GoPro, so that'll be awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. It really does help me out. If you want to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, those would all help me out so much. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, peace.